Did you just unbox your brand new Apple Watch Series 10 and feel overwhelmed by all its features? How do you customize the settings, optimize workouts, and unlock hidden tricks most users never discover? Don't worry, in the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to master your Apple Watch, and introduce you to an ultimate user guide that makes everything effortless. Before we dive in, if you're new here or haven't subscribed to this channel, click the subscribe button and tap the bell icon to turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Now let's get started with your Apple Watch Series 10. The Apple Watch Series 10 is more than just a smartwatch. It's your personal fitness trainer, health monitor, and productivity booster, all in one. Here are some of its most powerful features. First, a bigger and brighter display. Experience an edge-to-edge screen with crystal-clear visuals, even in bright sunlight. Next, advanced health tracking. Get real-time ECG, blood oxygen monitoring, and AI-powered sleep tracking to improve your wellness. Then, fitness and sports modes. Track over 30 activities including running, swimming, cycling, and HIIT workouts. Also, longer battery life, up to 48 hours of battery with fast charging for all-day use. Plus, Siri on your wrist control smart home devices, send messages, and get instant information hands-free. And stay connected anywhere. Answer calls and reply to texts even without your iPhone with the cellular version. Finally, troubleshooting and maintenance. Extend your Apple Watch's lifespan by learning quick fixes for common issues, optimizing battery health, and keeping your device running smoothly. And many more. Most users only scratch the surface of what this smartwatch can do. Want to unlock every hidden feature and maximize its potential? That's where the Ultimate Seniors and Beginners Guidebook comes in. Let me introduce you to the most complete Apple Watch Series 10. Step-by-step guide to stay connected, track health and fitness, and unlock hidden features with watchOS 11. In no time, you'll master your device. Let me give you a sneak peek inside. Table of Contents. Introduction. What is the Apple Watch Series 10? Key features of the Apple Watch Series 10. Who is this guide for? How to use this manual. Chapter 1. Getting started. Chapter 2. Mastering the basics. Chapter 3. Health and fitness features. Chapter 4. Staying connected. Chapter 5. Exploring apps. Chapter 6. Workouts and activity. Chapter 7. Customization and personalization. Chapter 8. Accessibility features. Chapter 9. Troubleshooting and maintenance. Chapter 10. Tips and tricks for beginners and seniors. Chapter 11. Safety and security. Chapter 12. Frequently asked questions. Appendix conclusion and final tips. With this guide in hand, you'll go from a beginner to a pro effortlessly. Want to fully unlock your Apple Watch's potential? Get your copy of the Ultimate Apple Watch Series 10 Guidebook today. Click the first link in the description or check the pinned comment below to grab your copy. Or scan the QR code on screen to go directly to the guidebook. Don't waste time figuring things out the hard way. Grab your guide now and start mastering your Apple Watch today.